Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming hardware and getting drivers ready. Check Device Manager to see the discrete GPU and note the exact model. Once done, update BIOS/UEFI and chipset drivers so the system properly recognizes the card. Make sure to download the official NVIDIA or AMD driver package and your laptop maker's power/graphics utility. This prevents conflicts. Now plug in AC power and set Windows power to high performance so the system allows full GPU use before proceeding to configuration steps. Next, perform a clean install of the GPU driver. Pick the custom or clean install option to remove old remnants. After installation, open the NVIDIA/AMD control panel to assign specific apps or games to the high-performance GPU or set the preferred GPU globally for performance needs. Also open your laptop's OEM power/thermal utility to select performance mode and raise TDP limits if supported. These middle steps ensure apps actually use the dedicated GPU and that cooling and power delivery match the increased. Finally, validate the setup by running a GPU-intensive app or benchmark and watching GPU activity in Task Manager or GPU-Z. You should see load and dedicated memory usage. If an app still uses the integrated GPU, force the discrete GPU via the driver control panel or per app settings, and then restart the app. If performance is unstable or temps climb, lower TDP limits, tweak the fan curve, or roll back drivers. One key troubleshooting tip: if nothing helps, reinstall the OEM utility and drivers in this exact order.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.